Best fertility treatment with good success rate depends upon your underlying cause of infertility, your age, and also how long have you been trying to conceive. Here are some fertility treatment options and in which situations they are usually used. IVF generally has a success rate of around 45 to 60%, and the success rate of IVF majorly depends upon your age, the egg numbers, and how was the sperm function. In which situations IVF is used is when you have blocked fallopian tubes, if your egg reserve is very low, or you are planning pregnancy in advanced age after 35 years of age, all the more after 37 years of age, and definitely after 40 years of age. Also in women with endometriosis grade 3 and grade 4, IVF will give you good chances of success. In patients with unexplained infertility, where both husband and wife have all the tests typically normal, they have been trying for more than 3 to 4 years to conceive and still they are unable to achieve pregnancy. In such situations also, IVF will give you a good success rate and also it will reduce your time to pregnancy. IVF will also help the couples where sperm is a problem. That is, when males have very low sperm count or at times even absent sperms in their semen analysis. So in such situations, if IVF done on time, it will give you good success rate and also reduce your time to pregnancy. Next fertility treatment is IUI. In IUI, usually the success is around 12 to 15%, but this you can achieve in couples who have problems having intercourse or in with males having borderline sperm counts. That is, the sperm counts are not too low, but they are also not in the normal range. Also, in certain unexplained infertility couples who have been trying for 2 to 3 years, initially 1 or 2 rounds of IUI might help them achieve success. The third fertility treatment option is ovulation induction and timed intercourse. Usually, this is recommended for women who have irregular periods where they have problems in egg formation. So, if egg formation is corrected and the egg develops in time, it will help them achieve pregnancy. So, such are fertility treatment options which can help you conceive.